So how do you actually unfreeze your SPayLater on Shopee? If you're stuck and your SPayLater isn't working, here's the cleanest way to fix it. First, open the Shopee app and tap Me on the bottom right. Scroll down and look for SPayLater. If it's frozen, Shopee usually tells you right away with a notice at the top. Tap that. Most of the time, SPayLater gets frozen because of a missed payment, so just hit Pay Now and clear whatever balance is overdue. After paying, wait a few minutes, then force close the app and open it again. If yours is frozen because Shopee needs verification, you'll see a prompt. Just follow the steps, upload your valid ID, and submit. It usually gets reviewed fast, and if you don't see any warning at all, scroll down in SPayLater. Tap Help Center. Then search Frozen SPayLater. You can open a ticket right there so Shopee can manually review your account. That's it. Pay the dues, update your details if needed, refresh the app, and your SPayLater should unlock. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.